Hi everyone, we're here again, and today we're going to be making some salmon and prawn fish cakes. We will be serving it with some fresh wilted spinach and a gently poached egg. It's gonna be awesome. Stick with the channel, subscribe, like and comment. See you later. Bye! So the first step will be to cook some potatoes. Probably I have about the same amount of potatoes as salmon and prawns. We're just gonna boil them in salty water as when we would do mashed potatoes. But after, we're not gonna put any butter, cream on it. We're just gonna mash it up and still leave it in the pan for a bit. Stir it with a spoon so it dries out. This is quite important because this way the fish cake will be quite easy to work with, otherwise it will be soggy and soft. Next, I'm poaching the salmon in some water which has salt, white wine, bay leaf, half a lemon and its juice, and gently simmer it. Don't boil it. Once it's ready, take it out, drain it down a bit and flake it off. Add the salmon, the potatoes and the prawns into a bowl. Chop in 2 pieces of spring onions, about 2 tablespoons of parsley, grate a half a zest of a lemon, add the juices of it as well and season with salt and pepper. Next, let's go ahead and shape the fish cakes. The next step is to pane our fish cakes, which is basically just flour, egg wash and breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs because they will be even more crispy, but you can just use regular ones, they will do just fine as well. In a hot pan, gently brown each side with the fish cakes until they're nice and golden, and place them onto a baking tray and cook them in the preheated oven at 180 Celsius for about 20 minutes. Next, onto the spinach. In a frying pan, fry some garlic in about 2 tablespoons of butter, season it with salt and pepper, add the spinach to it, cover it with a lid and steam it for about 2-3 minutes. Finally, poach some eggs gently, which you're gonna place on the top of the fish cakes. Hopefully you will enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like and share. Thank you, see you next time.